Welcome back, Marty here with another Visual Basic video. In this video, we will create a simple counter program within Visual Basic. Remember to give this video a like and watch the other videos in this series to learn as much as you can. Let's create a new project within Visual Studio and choose Windows Form App. I'll be naming this one Counter. Let's add in a few things from the toolbox. First, we need a text box to hold our number. And some buttons. Let's add one button, resize it and copy it. That way we got all the buttons the exact same size. The first button we'll add is plus, so let's change it in the properties. The second button we will add will be our subtract button. Let's also change its properties as well. The last button will be the reset button. Let's change that too. Click on the form and change the text in the property to say counter. Let's neaten this up a bit as we do not need a window that is this big. You could leave it as you wanted to, but I want it to be a bit smaller so it looks a lot neater. Now let's add some code for the add button. Create a variable and make it an integer. This will be used to hold our number. Let's make the add button add one extra number to our num1 variable. We can do this by writing the following statement. num1 plus equals 1. This is the same as us typing num1 equals num1 plus 1, but it saves us a lot of typing, and when you're working on bigger projects, it saves a lot more code and makes it look a lot neater as well. Let's do the same thing for the subtract button, but this time instead of writing plus equals, we'll do minus equals. We do not want this counter to go into negative numbers, so let's create an if statement to check before it takes a number away. If num1 is greater than 0, so that is it's at least 1 or higher, then it will subtract 1 from it. Let's make a message box appear if the number is not greater than 0. Now the last thing we need to do is set up a reset button. It will set num1 to 0. And before I forget, we need to write num1 to the text box each time we change it. It is simple, we just write textbox1.text equals num1. Let's test it out. Hopefully you learned something from this video. Remember to give it a like and check out the next video in this series.